When I got out of work, I noticed that the light of the cars of my dashboard were on, and today I felt the engine was weak on the way home. So I chose VIDENT iEasy300 Pro because it can not only read and erase code, but it can also review a wealth of information from the engine control unit. The iEasy300 Pro covering all the most popular protocol, which means it works with any vehicle manufactured from 1996 until now. Those GTC information and erase function, clearly arranged keypad, menu divided navigation, hotkeys, and 2.4 TFT color screen together make it extremely easy to use. So now let's switch it, turn it on. So now, okay, it's turned on. Now I turn on my key engine. So I see a mistake on my engine. It's a show card. So let's look in the menu. Now we see the main menu. So check engine, check DTC lookup. Now we can see review. Then you can set up, change language, and brightness of the screen, change many function. So here is about these devices, and also you can print on the printer your information of your vehicles. Okay, now let's check our engine. So turn on the key of engine, push the button OK. Wait, and now we see. So another status. So now the device suggests erase old code. We erase it. Now we choose second one. Yes. Read the code. Store code. So now we see the number of code P0100, and you should not go to internet or you should not read a brochure. You just read straight on a device. What means this code? It means mass of volume, air flow, Q-cut. So now we can check. If you're not sure, we can check. Let's go back. So we can see live data. Engine. So view data. First one. Complete data. So change this position. So now we see MFA 0. Okay. Push the bottom. Now we see no information. So the code is right. It's a mistake. Okay, we turn on the code. Now we try to read the code. Store code. Now we see old code. Okay, we erase code. Yes, erase code. Yes, it's a... And now read the code again. No codes, you see, it's clear. Our car is repaired, so we can check live data. View data. Live data. Let's go next page. And we see, and now we see MFA. So now I can set up all problem with my car with the help of this product. I think this product is very helpful, very useful. It's cheap enough and good enough.